Hackers don't just need skills, they need the right tools. And if you're serious about ethical hacking, penetration testing, or simply boosting your Wi-Fi game, you need the best Wi-Fi adapters. But beware. Choosing the wrong adapter could leave you vulnerable or completely ineffective. Today, I've handpicked the best Wi-Fi adapters for hacking, tested them all, and I'm revealing which ones will supercharge your hacking game. And guess what? In my upcoming video, we're going to use these adapters to create our own hacking gadgets. So stay tuned till the end. By the way, some of these adapters are so powerful that even cybersecurity experts fear them. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Before we jump into the top adapters, let's get real for a second. If you think your laptop's built-in Wi-Fi is enough for hacking, think again. Standard Wi-Fi cards are weak. They lack the range, power, and packet injection capabilities that real hackers need. Imagine being in the middle of a penetration test, and boom, your connection drops. You just lost your target because of a weak adapter. Don't let that happen to you. Let's get you geared up with the best adapters available. Alright, let's break down the top Wi-Fi adapters that will turn you into a networking ninja. You think your Wi-Fi is safe? Think again. Hackers don't need fancy tools, they just need the right board. And today, I'll show you the ultimate ESP boards that hackers, cybersecurity experts, and ethical hackers are using. If you're into hacking, cybersecurity, or just want to know how these powerful boards work, stay till the end. Because in the next video, we'll be building our own hacking gadgets using them. Let's get straight into it. Here are the top ESP boards you need to know about, why they're used in hacking, and how they can unlock the hidden potential of Wi-Fi hacking. 1. ESP32 DevKit C32UE. This is an absolute powerhouse. It's got a built-in U.FL connector for an external antenna, which means extended Wi-Fi range, perfect for Wi-Fi scanning and long-range penetration testing. This is what pros use when they need reliability and power. Dual-core processing makes it handle multiple tasks at once, so you won't get slowed down when running multiple exploits. It also supports secure boot, flash encryption, and hardware acceleration, making it versatile for cybersecurity applications. 2. ESP32 ESP32S Development Board. Dual-core, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi built-in? Yes, please. This is one of the most balanced boards out there, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. Its powerful wireless communication capabilities make it great for DOS attacks, Wi-Fi jamming, and even BLE attacks. Imagine sitting at a coffee shop and analyzing all the Wi-Fi networks around you. With this board, you can. It also has an integrated Hall sensor and capacitive touch sensors, which open up possibilities for advanced automation and security testing. 3. RoboCraze ESP8266 NodeMCU CP2102. The budget hacker's dream. Small, compact, and incredibly powerful for its size. With the right firmware, this tiny board can run network sniffers, fake access points, and even brute force attacks on weak Wi-Fi passwords. It's basically a hacker's Swiss Army knife. It supports multiple communication protocols, including SPI, I2C, and UART, making it a flexible choice for integrating with other security tools. 4. ESP8266 General Info. This board is a game-changer when it comes to IoT and hacking. It supports Wi-Fi Direct, P2P mode, allowing it to act as both an access point and a client at the same time. This feature is crucial for testing rogue AP attacks. With NodeMCU firmware, it becomes a full-fledged hacking tool, enabling MITM, man-in-the-middle, attacks, packet injection, and even remote backdoor access. Wi-Fi facts you need to know. Wi-Fi signals don't just disappear into thin air. Every piece of data you send, your passwords, messages, even your Google searches, travels through the air. And if someone knows how to intercept that data, you'll never know they were there. Most public Wi-Fi networks are wide open. If you think just connecting and browsing is safe, think again. Without encryption, it's like sending a postcard, anyone can read it. Hackers don't guess passwords anymore. They capture Wi-Fi handshakes and crack them offline using brute force. If you're still using password 123, you might as well hand your data over. Deauthentication attacks are one of the easiest ways to knock a device off a network. Once disconnected, an attacker can force it to reconnect through a rogue access point, effectively hijacking its connection. Wi-Fi pineapple-like attacks can be done with ESP boards when configured properly, making them one of the cheapest and most effective penetration testing tools. Now, imagine combining all these boards into a single device. A tool that can test, analyze, and even automate attacks. What if I told you that in the next video, we're doing exactly that? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Hacking unauthorized networks is illegal and can get you into serious trouble. Use this knowledge responsibly. Want these gadgets? Go on Instagram and search "I am not hacker." Click on Highlights, Products, and you'll find everything you need to start your hacking journey. If you want to see real Wi-Fi hacking in action, check out my next video, Ultimate Wi-Fi Hacking Guide, How Hackers Break into Networks, Educational. It's linked in the pinned comment. Like, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, I am not hacker, for more insane hacking content. By the way, if you're thinking, why do I need such a powerful Wi-Fi adapter? I just want to check my email. Bruh, stop lying. You know why you're here. And remember, these are not just recommendations. We're actually going to use these adapters to build our own hacking gadgets in an upcoming video. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you stay tuned. Want these gadgets? Go on Instagram and search "I am not hacker." Hit the Highlights tab and check out Products. You'll find everything you need for your hacking journey. And if you're serious about learning hacking, don't miss my next video, Ultimate Wi-Fi Hacking Guide, How Hackers Break into Networks, Educational, Ultimate Guide. Click here to watch. Like, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, I am not hacker. Let's take your hacking skills to the next level. This video is for educational purposes only. I do not promote or encourage illegal hacking. Ethical